Make a great choice today with the 2017 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, HD radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.